today I'm going to show you how to change a tyre using a tyre machine. So if it's your first day at a tyre fitting place and you blagged it and you don't actually know how to change a tyre, this is how you do it. And yes, I did go to college and learn this 20 years ago, but I didn't use it for 15 years, but it's so easy. Alloy wheel for Peugeot. What size have we got? Hold on. 195 65 15. What we got on it? Some piece of crap tyre. A Gallop Pro. We're going to be putting on a Uniroyal rain tyre. So we live in England over here, and England rains a lot. So take the valve out. I'll try and pause the noise or reduce it so you don't hear it. It's a loud process. Right, here we go. Not too bad. Take the air out. What do we need? Tools we need. Knife. Valve removing tool. Inner valve removing tool. Valve puller through tool. Wire brush. And alley guard. Right, that's been done. Stick it in here. Levers, 4 levers down the bottom here. Second one in's got a picture of a tyre. Pumpy, which is where the compressor will start kicking in probably. Spin it round, 180 degrees. There we go. My compressor's not that big, so it'll probably kick in a minute, and that is well loud. So I'll turn that down. Wait for it to build up a bit. Because we want to build the pressure up. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah. Didn't do it. It's always harder on the back than it is the front. There we go. Right, now that's stopped. Up we come. Up here we've got the 4 grippers. You can put it on the inside or the outside, but I like to put it in the outside. In the inside, sorry. There's one with 4 arrows here. Opens up the jaws. Closes the jaws. Now, there's 2 of them. Open it up just fast. Wait till it's sinking. Close it up. We're toy like a tiger. And we get the alloy rim protector. Always use that. Wash it in like that. And we get ourselves a bar. Pop it under. Push it down this side here, because then it helps it go within the gap. Spin it around. Pop up. There we go. Go back to the rim protector again. Go through all the way down. I like to lift up a bit like that. Up and over. Now tyres, I don't really make a great deal on tyres because I'm a small business. So there's the lever button here, push that back and then whip it out. Yeah, I don't make a great deal on tyres. Charge standard price I get for tyres for these tyres, I think 35 quid plus VAT. So 42 quid, and then probably charge 20 quid to fit it, so I go 52. I mean, it's about where you would be getting it from anywhere else as well, but they'll obviously be making probably bigger margins or putting more through. So anyway, then I will take the wire brush, clean up here, because this is where the tyre sits on the inside of the rim, so always give this a good clean up, remove any bits of oxidisation or old rubber. You might say, rubber? Does it come off? Does the tyre come off? No. It's special stuff you use to like make a good sealant. You should always put it on. Bead sealer. Get some bead sealer. some bead sealer on here. Very accurately, obviously, you know, it's not making a mess. Doesn't really matter. No one's ever going to see it. Who cares? But you should put it on though. The last thing you want is someone coming back going, "Oh, you fitted my tyre last week and it keeps going flat." It's like, well, just bead seal it and probably what it is. New valve. I was cut off the bottom of the valve and then grabbed the thingy which was there. Where's that gone? I showed it to you. Oh, there it is. On the floor. Pop it on the top. Move it out. I broke it. Cut it off. Throw it in the bin. Get a new one in the box. A bit of paste. Ease it in. Put it in. Screw it back on. Pop it through. Bada boom, bada bing. That's done. Stage 2, get the tyre. Look at the tyre. Inside, outside, front, back. So we've got inside here. That goes on the inside of the wheel. Okay. First thing we do is we get some jalopy. This is tyre bead paste. Some of this just to help like ease it in. It doesn't rip or get stuck. There we go. I'll put a bit of music on tonight. It's not 9:30 in the morning. Inside, goes that way. So pop it up, slide it in, up and over. Take that off, stick it on the wall. On this machine here, you need to have it in between the two. So it goes on the back one, slides down over the front. Alright, I'll do that. And then the twist button, spin it round. Some bigger wheels and things, you might need a bar to help get it round, but these should be alright. Just making sure that the tyre goes underneath the groove. Like that. Awesome. Release, push the button to the left. All machines are different, take it off. Pop it down, get some air, pop it on. There's a lever on the back here. I can't reach it, so I use a stick. Pump it up, 32 psi. The average, should probably check. I'm going to do it to 32 psi. There's a gauge over here on the back. Shows me what psi I'm doing it to. You've got to wait for the pop though. It's not popped here. You'll see it fill in, and then it pops. Sometimes it can go up to like 50 psi before it'll pop, which does get a bit scary, but you've got to keep going. There is a maximum inflation rate on the tyres, so try not to exceed that. There we go. That is a tyre. It's how you replace a tyre. It's that easy. So 20 quid for that. It's not too bad. My only issue is I've got to go and pick them up from the customer's house, which sometimes takes me twice as long to do. And there we go. So this is how you fit a tyre. Next thing you need to do is balance it up. I do have a balancer in the corner. I'll show you that now if you want. Right, so here's the balancer. We've got a slider bit which sits on here. Different sizes, it goes in the middle. The alloy wood down there. Pick it up. Pop it on. Push it on. What I like to do is take off the existing weights first. Don't really like putting them on the outside anyway, it makes it look shit. Inner weight. Inner weight. Right, beautiful. Then we take this. This is the little measuring stick, 6.5. So So on here, there's a button on the left that gives an indication to that bit, 6.5. Once you know the width, this machine here, 6.5. Again, do that on there. And then diameter, 15. This is a manual one because obviously I've got limited space here. We'll spin it up. Just need to grab a rag in a minute. Stop. 20 and 20. Let's get a rag. Rag and a bit of brake cleaner. It's a good job. Right, so this one's here. I got some stick-on weights. Alloy stick-on weights. They're better. But the same principle applies if it's an automatic machine or if it's a manual machine. You know, you just put the lid down on a manual machine, or automatic machine, and then it spins, and then you lift it up, and then it's the same thing. It's just manual. It's a bit smaller. I haven't had any problems though with tyres, so it's good stuff. Stop! You're spoiling us. Right, no. Done. 50% done. So that's how we do it. Change the tyre. If you found it helpful at all or anything like that, then as I say, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and let you know when other things come on. So for now, take it easy.